Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, we will talk about what are the benefits that we can get in using Microsoft Word. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. Benefits of using Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word is a widely used word processing software that offers various features and benefits. Here are some key advantages of using Microsoft Word. Number one, user-friendly interface. Microsoft Word has an intuitive and user-friendly interface, making it easy for users to create, edit, and format documents. Number two, document creation and editing. Word allows user to create and edit documents with ease. It provides a wide range of formatting options, styles, and templates to help users create professional-looking documents. Number 3, spell and grammar check. Microsoft Word includes built-in spell and grammar checking tools, helping users to catch and correct errors in their documents. Number 4, collaboration features. Word enables collaboration through features like track changes, comments, and real-time co-authoring. Multiple users can work on a document simultaneously, making it a valuable tool for team projects. Number 4, templates and themes. Word comes with a variety of templates and themes for different types of documents, such as resumes, reports, letters, and more. This makes it easy for users to start with a pre-designed layout and customize it as needed. Number 6, integration with other Microsoft Office applications. Word seamlessly integrates with other Microsoft Office applications like Excel, PowerPoint, and Outlook. This interoperability facilitates the creation of comprehensive documents that may include tables, charts, and email content. Number 7, automation with macros. Users can automate repetitive tasks in Word using macros. This can save time and increase efficiency by allowing users to record and replay a series of actions. Number 8, document security. Word provides features such as password protection and document encryption to help secure sensitive information. Users can control access to their documents and protect them from unauthorized editing or viewing. Number 9, cross-platform compatibility. Microsoft Word is available for both Windows and Mac platforms, providing users with flexibility in the ability to work on documents across different operating systems. Number 10, cloud integration. With Microsoft 365, formerly Office 365, users can save and access their Word documents in the cloud using OneDrive. This allows for easy access to documents from different devices and enables collaborative work. Number 12, advanced formatting options. Word offers a wide array of formatting options, allowing users to customize the appearance of their documents. This includes font styles, colors, spacing, and more. Number 12, table of contents and indexing. Word makes it easy to create and update tables of contents, indexes, and other document navigation tools. This is particularly useful for large and complex documents. Number 13, mail merge. Word includes a mail merge feature that allows user to create professionalized documents such as letters or envelopes by pulling information from a data source like an Excel spreadsheet or Outlook contacts. Number 14, advanced editing features. Word provide advanced advanced Word provides advanced editing features like thesaurus, word count, and the ability to insert and edit images and multimedia elements. Overall, Microsoft Word is a versatile and powerful word processing tool that caters to a wide range of users, from individuals to businesses and organizations. Okay guys, so this is the end of my video on the benefits that we can get from Microsoft Word. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.